Hello everyone, welcome to Channel Wall Bag. Nowadays, many people love the idea of creating their own wall bags to maximize the space at home. You can choose your favorite wood type and color, which is more customized. And today, I will introduce you to the better case, a DIY solution for building a sturdy and stylish wall bag step by step. There we go. First, we need to prepare all the wood panel, headboard, stiffeners, etc. according to the DIY manual. After we get all the wood panel ready, and we need to drill the holes according to the manual, and then we can start our DIY journey. We need to connect the top facer and the top panel by 3 angle brackets. After we complete the top panel, and now we need to mount the top panel to the side panel. Remember, the edge of the 2 panels should be on the same level. Next, we need to use 2 angle brackets to mount them together. And now we need to locate the mounting position of the headboard. Next, we need to mark the side panel 20 inches from the floor and 3 inches from the back edge of the side panel, and then mark the position. When we need to mount the headboard with the side panel, we need to align the bottom edge of the headboard should be exactly the same at the position that we just marked. And now we need to mount the bottom rear base. And now we need to mount the bottom kick. And then we need to mark the mounting position that is 1 inch from the front side of the side panel. And then we need to mount the bottom kick. Make sure the bottom edge is smooth. And then we use 2 angle brackets to fix them. Remember, the direction of the angle bracket should be face inward.